I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Wallet open. Do it now. First, unlock your iPhone and tap Wallet to display active cards. Find the card you intend to remove by swiping. Don't hesitate to tap it to see more details. Once the card is visible, look for the 3 dots or info icon. This opens card settings. You're making choices, so slow down briefly to confirm it's the right card before you proceed to removal options. Once in card settings, scroll and locate Remove Card. It's usually toward the bottom. Tap Remove Card and the system will ask for confirmation because this action deletes the card locally. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to authorize removal. This prevents accidental deletion. After you confirm, Wallet takes the card off the device immediately. If the card is linked to Apple Pay for after confirming removal, close Wallet and reopen to verify the card is gone. This final check prevents surprises. If you need the card back, tap the plus sign and follow Add Card steps. You may need to re-verify with your issuer. If removal fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID, update iOS, or restart the device. These steps clear sync issues. When problems persist, contact your card issuer. They can revoke or reissue tokens tied to Apple Pay and resolve account-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.